So normally, if you ask anybody which park they want to go to for the day at Walt Disney World, pretty much they'll always tell you all of them. But if we had to choose one park for the day to go to at Walt Disney World, which would it be? Well, we have an answer for you guys. So to start it off, I'm going to start it off, and then I'm going to let these two go. My park would be Epcot. And the reason is I really think Epcot is a very relaxing park, and when I go on vacation, I do want to be relaxed. That being said, there's a ton of great rides to also do at Epcot. But for me, it really is the relaxing atmosphere, the soundtrack of the Epcot soundtrack as you walk through Future World. There's really nothing better, and most of the rides are very relaxing, like Nemo and Friends at the Living Seas and Spaceship Earth. Those are really awesome and relaxing, but of course, Soarin' is absolutely incredible, one of my favorite rides. And then, not to be outdone, but really Living with the Land is an incredible ride as well. So I definitely love the relaxing atmosphere. But the other reason I love Epcot, and I would make that my park to go to for the day, is, and I know you would agree with me on this too, and that is the World Showcase. To go around the World Showcase, all the food, all the drinks, and just that atmosphere of going through the different countries and seeing what they have to offer at the shops and the eateries. I really love it. And the entertainment is so cool too. And then of course in Norway, there's Frozen Ever After, which is obviously a really cool ride. So that would be the reason that I would choose Epcot for the day, and I can't wait to see what these two have.
No, I do love Epcot because it's almost like you travel around the world in one day. I absolutely love the Animal Kingdom. I'm an Animal Kingdom girl. It features some of my most favorite things. The safari ride, where you can see the animals in their habitat. You're on a big safari. It's almost like you're there. You're suddenly transported out of Florida. You're on the Serengeti of Africa. It's to die for. Now, from there, you get off a safari ride. You can have Dole Whip, one of my most favorite snacks, gluten-free, so I can have it, no big deal. And from there, I book it over to Mount Everest to do the most fun, on that roller coaster with the Yeti. And then to die for, my most favorite, so I love The Lion King. The Broadway version of The Lion King is my favorite version of The Lion King. But the Festival of The Lion King that they do at the Animal Kingdom is a super close second. Highly recommend it whenever you're there. I love that show. So that for me is why Animal Kingdom takes top billing if I only had one park to choose from. How about you, Morgan?
So, yeah, I love Epcot and Animal Kingdom. Animal Kingdom is my second favorite, but my first and foremost favorite has gotta be the Magic Kingdom. I mean, you walk in and there's Main Street, and then you have the big Cinderella's castle just there. It's awesome. I mean, then you also have amazing places that you can go eat. I mean, if I was there for a day, I'd go to Crystal Palace for breakfast. Then I go to Cosmic Rays for a small but really, really good lunch. And then to top it all off, I would go to Be Our Guest for an overall amazing experience for the day. An amazing dinner. Then there's also Space Mountain, which is just to die for. And then you got Splash Mountain and the Big Thunder Mountain Railroad, which is so much fun. I mean, it's everything you want. And then, but my absolute favorite thing about Magic Kingdom is that they have some the character meeting spots. And my absolute favorite character has got to be Stitch. And over by Space Mountain, you can go meet Stitch and get pictures and autographs, and it's awesome.
So there you have it, y'all. I love the Animal Kingdom. Morgan likes the Magic Kingdom. Dad likes Epcot. So which do you prefer? If you only had one day to go, you had to pick your park. Comment down below.
Absolutely, guys. Comment below. And if you haven't already done so, give us a big like on this and go ahead and subscribe to our channel and go ahead and hit the bell icon so that way we can let you guys know every time a video comes out. And until next time, get out there, have some fun, and we'll see you on the flip side.